Hey guys, was just gonna show you a neat little product that you can use if your charging port ever fails on your phone and you don't want to upgrade. This is made by Lenmar. It's called a power port clip. It looks like this. Okay, let's remove the battery. Like that has a USB port. Alright. All you have to do is clip, hold on real quick. The battery onto the positive and the negative. These two clips can remove or move better to spread out to hit those copper contacts. You just hit the negative and the positive. You know that you're hitting them when the green light turns on. And then this is a Mac, but it works on any USB port. You just plug it in, and now it's charging the battery without the phone itself or the cord. And this is just a MacBook. So that turns green when the battery is totally charged, and it'll save you a lot of money if you know you're not due for an upgrade or whatnot. But these two copper things can spread out depending on the size of the battery. And it works on camera batteries, cell phones, regular cameras, PSP batteries, so on. Just a neat little thing. You can pick them up, usually at Interstate Battery if you have that. You can buy them off a line. They're really cheap and they come in handy. So it's charging it. Means we do have some power on the battery. You just unclip it like so. And those are the contacts. You have positive and negative. So you line them up with the positive and the negative. Make sure that the contacts that spread out for whatever size battery work. Clip it on. Plug it into any USB port, and you're good to go. Just a helpful hint. Thanks.